Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, April 20th. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend, but you know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. Now, over the weekend, I was tracking the prices of cryptocurrencies and everything seemed to stay really steady. No huge spikes or drops. Let's get into the price of Bitcoin, which is at $7,177, down 0.8% from yesterday. Ethereum down 1.5% at $183.73. Dash actually up 1.3% at $82.21. And Litecoin doing the worst, down 2% at $42.92. Don't forget to join us later today when we cover the top news articles written over the weekend so that you guys can stay up to date and informed on everything going on cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.